So I just took Juno to the vet, and now we're gonna go walking at the park. We got Mary, we got Nana. Can't see her in the back somewhere. There's Nana, 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 little brat, and Mary. That's Mary. Hi, hi, Mary. She a little fat ducky. Look at that. You're so fat, Mary. Look at you. What the fuck? Oh, that was random. Take a selfie. Let me do it from my view. Let me do it from my view. No. Hurry up. It's really nice out today. Probably duck eggs. Oh! Pick up his shit.
A few moments later.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street. I am the one, the way your son don't need.
It smells really bad.
It smells like crabs. Burning, itching, burning, itching. Itching and burning, itching and burning.
911, what's your emergency?
What? So right now we're at Ross. I'm gonna do a little shopping for myself because I finished Christmas shopping not too long ago. So yeah. I kind of want some gloves. It's kind of nice. like Ross. Doesn't have much stuff as Marshalls. Look at the aisles. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones you...
Shut up!
Cute.
Oh, yes, Daddy.
A few minutes later.
Right now it's 1:30 a.m. and we're looking at Christmas lights. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.